Okay guys, this is lesson 1.4, write and evaluate repeated factors in exponent form. So we're working with exponents. This is big boy, big girl stuff now this year. Exponents are those little numbers that you'll see right here. So it could be any number. There's like a 3. So that is what an exponent is. So an exponent is just a simpler way to write numbers. So like if we wanted to show a repeated number, so if we had like 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, we could write that in a simpler way. We could write it as 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. This is the same thing as this. And this year you're only going to be working with the number 10. So here are some of our vocabulary words. The 10 is the base number and the 6 is the exponent. So again, the 6 is just the number of tens that we have right here. And the base is just the number that we're multiplying, the 10. So even though we're only doing tens this year, you could do this with any number. If you had 9 times 9 times 9, you would do 9 to the power of 3. If you had 7 times 7 times 7 times 7, you could do 7 to the power of 4. Okay, this lesson, all we're doing is working on writing it in two different ways. Okay, exponent form and word form. So if I gave you 10 times 10 times 10, exponent form is going to look like this: 10, and there's 3 of them. That's it. Okay, and then word form is going to look like this. You can write it a couple different ways, but we'll stick with this one. 10 to the power of 3. I'll give you the other one. The other one is the third power of 10. So this can be read 10 to the power of 3 or the third power of 10. Either way. The other thing we can do is we can find out what the value of it is. So let's figure out the value. 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000. So this is 1,000. That means that this is 1,000 as well. A really quick way to do this is just take the 1 and write it down, and then write as many zeros as there are that number right there. So if it was 10 to the power of 8, instead of going 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000, times 10 is 10,000, instead of doing that, just go 1 and then 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then put your commas in. That's it. Okay, here are your extra credit problems. I want you to put it in exponent form and word form. And here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And I want you to put that in exponent form and word form.